Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Cart Goal Widget, a powerful tool that motivates customers to spend more by offering rewards once they reach a specific cart total. A common example is offering free shipping when a customer's cart reaches or exceeds a set amount. This small incentive can make a big difference in boosting your average order value. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Goal widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, select the cart drawer, and choose Cart Goal. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Goal. Here you can customize all settings. You can add tabs, click to add block, and select by country. Inside each block, you can customize. Country. Enter the Alpha 2 code from the country list, for example, IN for India, to specify which country the settings apply to. You can add tabs, click to add block, and select Cart Goal. Inside each block, you can customize. Cart Goal message. Customize the message shown before the goal is reached. Example, add items worth amount to your cart to reach your goal. Reached goal message. Customize the message shown once the goal is reached. Example, congrats, now you're eligible for free shipping. Goal amount. Enter the required amount, for example, 46 or 46.99. Make sure you've set up a matching shipping rate in Shopify for that region so the discount applies at checkout. Goal color before reached. Choose the color displayed when the goal isn't yet met. Goal color after reached. Choose the color displayed once the goal is achieved. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Cart Goal widget, helping you encourage customers to shop more and unlock exciting rewards. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.